Mr. Jonathan, the lion is about to attack. I started working on this lion since 2021. I remember precisely April when I met the king, the Yoruba Elegushi, and when I met him, he showed interest in my sculptures and he decided to commission me 2 biggest sculptures. He actually wanted to be the biggest of my piece. And I use it to tell the story of the Ikate Kingdom. So if you look around the work, you'll see a long history between 1632 till date. If you look at the anatomy of this lion, it's gorgeously done with recycled materials. And there are a lot of mythology about the place of lion to African thrones. In 1632, when Ikate Kingdom was formed, there used to be white cap chiefs, and we have the Kushenla one. From Kushenla one down to the current king's father. So when his father died in 2010, who was Kushenla two. So I try to trace the number of Obas that ruled between 1632 till date. So there were about 20 white cap chiefs. So on this other side, there's a bronze cast of the Eyo. So the Eyo Adimu is here, and this is one of the Eyo that belongs to the royal family of Ikate. Now, if you look at inside here, you see the Eyos dancing and entertaining the king. There are 2 of them inside. Kushenla II happened to be the father of the current Elegushi, Yoruba fought for the throne to be uplifted, and he actually won. There are a lot of things that are hidden icons and symbols that can easily be traced to the Ikate Kingdom. Put some MSA. This is the king's entourage. The guys that protect him. This lion is bold, it's fierce looking, it's roaring, and the colors, the colors on it is they are very gorgeous. I kept your ancestors inside so that they can always whisper into your ears to guide you right. There's also have a look at inside here, you see there dancing and entertaining the king. So bronze. This is about 100 kg of bronze portrait of Said Elegushi, current king. He's the Kushenla III. I got several of his pictures. It took me like 6 months to study this. Carefully sculpted in clay, cast in bronze. No me there to pay a like yourself.
It's worth the wait.
Penny, it's worth it. Considering that
It's really worth it.
2 years now.
2 years plus. That's mine.
Lion finally got to his home. Udidele.